meditation is a very alive process. Even for very mature meditators, it's not a static thing. So at every moment, you're working with yourself and with the silence and with the activity of your mind. It's a whole process that doesn't seem to stop. So when you're first starting to meditate, I think it's nice to have an object. Meditation with an object. The object is the thing that you return to when you've gotten lost in your thoughts. So the most classic object is the breath. Breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I know I'm breathing out. And you feel the breath through the sensation of your body. So your body will actually move very subtly with your breathing. So that would be a process. You can watch the process, watch or feel the process of your breathing as you're sitting. Another object is listening. Some people like to return to sound, hearing. The sounds outside of yourself, the sounds inside of yourself. Another object that some people take is love. The body sensation, the feeling of kindness. So when you get lost in your sitting, you return to kindness. Sometimes people return to an open mind, a sky mind, a mind like the sky. And there's kind of a body sensation that goes with that. And when they notice they're lost, that's what they return to. And another object, which is a little harder, I think, but some people use, is just returning to the present moment. All of your sense gates open, and whatever is arising, you're right there with it. So part of meditation is to teach the mind or train the mind to stay in one place. But it's really hard. It's like teaching a puppy how to sit and stay. In the beginning, the puppy is all over the place. So don't be mean to your puppy. Just invite your puppy, teach your puppy how to stay with your object. The quickest way to stop meditating is to evaluate your meditation. Even an advanced meditator will evaluate their meditation poorly. So the more you do that, the more you will not want to sit. So don't evaluate, just be whatever is happening in the time of your meditation. Just accept yourself the way you are. And as much as you can, return to your object. Over and over. At a certain point in meditation, you can just be the expression of your total self. Just right here, right now. Being. Not trying to do anything. If your mind is extremely agitated, you can use a phrase. You can use a slogan. You can use a Lojong slogan, some kind of phrase. I have a version of let go and let God. I say, let go and let the universe flow. So you could use a phrase to help you stay here. Sometimes an emotion will arise when you're sitting. Sometimes you're peaceful, but sometimes you notice your strong emotions. So it's good to notice what you're feeling. And you don't have to try to fix what you're feeling. You just hold what you're feeling like a baby in a mother's arms. With kindness and compassion, you just digest your emotions. And one of the principles is that emotions will release themselves if they are felt. Zazen really strengthens our ability to hold our negative emotions, which is very critical for addicts. I like to make sure that in my meditation at some point I feel conscious contact with energies that are beyond myself. Universal perspective or universal energy. This is what helps me let go and trust the workings of the universe. So even if I don't feel it, I might say it to myself.